All right, now that you've done this for the first part, let's move on. Let's introduce some new information. How will your rankings change after this new information? All of these characters have a real life equals. Each character represents a part of society. The Baron equals white society. So white, male, Christian, straight, typically able-bodied, so they don't have any disabilities, born in the US, etc. So this is the part of society that sets the values and the rules. Like they're the ones that make the rules. The Baroness stands for people of color. They have little to say about values, but they're expected to stick to them no matter what. The gateman is the police force or the military. They don't have a say in the rules, but they're expected to enforce them. The boatman is other institutions, so they will provide you a service for a cost. So if you have the resources to give them, you have the opportunity to get their services. The friend stands for liberals. They have good intentions. They want to make the world better. They fit within the values framework that we have, but they'll only accept you if you follow the rules. The lover stands for enticements, or things we fall in love with, but in reality or practice, they don't do much good. It's like the Constitution or the Bill of Rights. Like these are all great things, but in reality, we're not really sure what they're helping us with in everyday life. So part 2, you do your rankings over again. So now take a look at these 6 characters based on what they stand for in society and re-rank them. So 1 would be who is the most responsible for the Baroness's death, and 6 would be who is the least responsible for the Baroness's death. So make sure you do your re-rankings, and then don't forget to go back to the Padlet at the very end to answer the rest of the questions. Good luck!